This house looks weird. Maybe I should explore it. What is this? A TV?
Una vez, un pollo. Que era siempre lo hacían.
I'm sorry, what the fuck are you talking about? I don't speak Spanish. Wait, what the hell is happening to your eyes? Meat chicken. What the hell? Okay, now this is getting scary. Hey, yo, what the hell are those sounds? I'm scared. I'm just fucking scared. What the hell? What the hell is this? Oh my god, what is this? Oh god, no! Get it off me! Jesus Christ! Come on, run! Don't look away, just run! Oh no, a dead end!